In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Bank of America digital wallet. This process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll be ready to seamlessly incorporate this handy tool into your daily financial routine. So, let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open the Bank of America mobile banking app on your smartphone. If you haven't already installed it, you can easily download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, if you're not automatically logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. This app is your gateway to managing your digital wallet, so it's quite crucial in our process. Now that you're in the app, your next course of action is to navigate to the option that says Add to Digital Wallet. This feature is typically found within the app's main menu or under the settings, depending on the version of the app you have. Selecting this option begins the process of integrating your physical bank card into the digital wallet, allowing you to eventually make transactions with just your phone. Once you've selected the Add to Digital Wallet option, it's time to verify your card. At this stage, the app might prompt you to enter some details of your card, such as the card number, expiration date, or the CVV code. You might also be required to authenticate your identity through a code sent via a text message or email to ensure security. This step is crucial as it safeguards your banking information from unauthorized access. With everything verified, congratulations! You've successfully added your Bank of America card to your digital wallet. From this point, you can start using your digital wallet for a variety of transactions. It can be used in-store, where contactless payments are accepted. Simply hold your phone near the payment terminal and follow any additional prompts on either the terminal or your phone. Within the app, you also have the ability to manage the cards you've added to your digital wallet. This means you can easily add more cards, remove cards you no longer wish to use, or set a default payment option based on your preferences. Managing your cards through the app offers a consolidated view and convenient control over how you wish to handle your payments digitally. Lastly, your digital wallet isn't just limited to physical, in-person transactions. It's incredibly useful for online or in-app purchases as well. When checking out online or within various apps, look for the option to pay with a digital wallet. This will often be the same process as using your physical card, but with just a few taps and without needing to input your card details each time, making it both safer and faster. So there you have it. The Bank of America digital wallet is set up and ready to use. Incorporating this technology into your daily life eases the shopping experience, offering a blend of convenience and security. Be sure to explore its features and make the most out of your digital banking experience.